So for a PTO on a Cub Cadet MTD mower, um, if you if you notice the blades are shutting off when it's in the up position and running, what I found is if you just wiggle that around, I had one. This is a newer switch, but I had one fail, and when you wiggle that on and off, it'll shut off, and that will tell you if this is good or bad in most cases. So, again, with the blades going, or actually not going, if you just kind of wiggle that around as you're out there with the mower on and sitting on the seat, it'll shut on, shut off as you play around with that. So that's kind of an easy way to figure out if these PTO engage switches are good or bad.